we have found a kingfisher bird which is sitting on this pole. Where is the pole? Okay, here it is. There is a pole, bamboo over here. So guys, the island which I showed you in some of the videos, so from our Astoria Lagoon hotel, is this island over here. This is the same island which I showed you, the Astoria Lagoon. Basically, this is the island. It's in the center of this reservoir. Right now we have come to another point of this upper Vaitarana reservoir. There was one more lane coming from there. So see, behind me is the farmland. Here the farming was done and everything is now cut off and it's sukha over here. But we will be going through this lane down, just doing some adventure out here in the morning time. Oh man, can you see this area? See this roads? See all the environment over here. We are just roaming around. We are going to the dam right now. Let's see how far it is so that we could reach out. At last the time has come to leave, to say goodbye to this beautiful place over here. So it was awesome. May the Almighty bless this place and may He make this place a pleasant stay for all those who come here for a good reason. Chalo, we'll meet you in Mumbai.